Japan gives 2,000 iPhones to people stuck in coronavirus-hit cruise. Reports Japanese government distributed 2,000 iPhones to passengers and crew stuck in the coronavirus-hit cruise ship Diamond Princess on Valentine's Day. Multiple reports said the iPhones have Line app pre-installed on them to help passengers consult doctors and psychologists in Japan via chats. The ship has been quarantined since the virus detection and has at least 355 confirmed coronavirus cases. Militants try to hack Israeli soldiers' phones by posing as women on fake app. Israeli Defense Forces thwarted a honey trap by Hamas militants who built a Snapchat-like fake photo-sharing app and posed as women to hack into soldiers' smartphones. The militants, posing as women, attempted to trick soldiers into downloading the app carrying malware to steal data from phones. Israeli Defense Forces said the catfishing was detected early. No major secrets were leaked. Google to end free Wi-Fi service at stations. Says mobile data cheap in India. Google has announced to end its Google Station service to provide free Wi-Fi in India as well as globally. India now has among the cheapest mobile data per gigabyte in the world, said Google. The project was launched by Google in India in 2015 in partnership with Indian Railways and Railtel to provide free Wi-Fi to over 400 railway stations. Just got a Porsche Taycan. It's my first electric car. Bill Gates, Microsoft co-founder and world's second richest person. Bill Gates, in an interview to YouTuber Marcus Brownlee, said that he recently bought his first electric car, a Porsche Taycan. It's a premium price car, but it's very, very cool. I am enjoying it a lot, said Gates. As per reports, Porsche Taycan is expected to launch in India this year at around XC2, X82, XB92.7 crore. MIT researchers develop low-cost smart diaper that alerts caregivers when it's wet. MIT researchers have developed a smart diaper embedded with a moisture sensor that alerts caregivers when a diaper is wet. When the sensor detects dampness, it sends a signal to a nearby receiver, which in turn can send a notification to a smartphone or computer. The sensor costs under 2 cents, less than XC2, X82, XB92.50, and contains a passive RFID tag.